Hello everyone. As I said in previous video, now I am starting a Python course specifically made for artificial intelligence and machine learning. So if you are one looking for Python course specifically made for artificial intelligence and machine learning, then this course is for you. Now let me share the screen. Okay guys, now let's get into this video. The Python course without wasting time. Along with this video, I have also created a dedicated course book website for you. As you can see in the screen now, I highly recommend using it while watching the lessons because it includes all the notes, course snippets, and the additional resources. Actually, the link is in description. So along with the video, you do watch it. Okay. Now let's see how you're gonna download Python. Actually, that is also in the website. You can click the getting started and you can see how you're gonna download Python and Visual Studio Code and extensions. So many things. Okay. Now you just see the video and do follow it so you can understand it very easily. Okay. Now, first of all, open your browser, any browser that is working for you. Now, simply search Python or python.org. Okay, just to open it. Now, just click on the download Python as you can see in the screen. Open the installer. Now, just watch the screen what I'm doing. Don't just keep clicking next, next. This is what actually so many beginners do, and there is a step you must do, which is add Python to path. You will see add Python to path, the checkbox here. You just tick that checkbox as I am doing. Now click install now. It will take a minute or two. All right, the Python is installed actually. Let's move to the next step. Just open your browser, search for Visual Studio Code as I am typing here, and there is an official website. Click download. I'm using Windows, so I am just clicking the download for Windows. Whatever OS you are using, download it from there. Install is just like any normal software. Okay, now it is installing. It will take some time, depends on the internet. Okay, once it installed, open it. If you are seeing a simple welcome screen, perfect. Now let's make VS Code understand Python. On the left side you will see the extension icon. Okay, just click it. Now search for Python. You will see the Python extension published by Microsoft. Okay, and it will say install for you. For me it is saying uninstall because I have already installed it. Okay, so don't worry if yours looks different from mine. After that you can see pylons, and just click that also. If for you it didn't show, means you just type pylons and then you can install it. Mine is already installed, so it's showing me uninstall like that. Okay, finally you search for Jupyter and install that as well. Now these are the only extension we need for now. Okay, don't install any other than this. They won't these three are more than enough for this course. Okay, perfect. Now our VS code is ready. Okay, now let's create our project. Before writing any code, I want you to build one good habit from day one. Okay, most beginners save Python files on the desktop, save, then some save them in downloads. After 1 month they don't even know where their own project is. So let's avoid that from the beginning itself. You have to organize everything. Okay, go to your desktop or wherever you want to keep your coding projects. Okay, just to create one folder. I am naming mine Python projects. You can use the same name if you want. Now just open that folder. Inside it, create another folder. This folder is for the particular course. I will name it Python hyphen for hyphen AI. Okay, notice one thing. I'm using only small letters and hyphens. Okay, no spaces. This is the common naming style developers use. Okay, you will see this format in GitHub project as well. Okay, all right, our project folder is ready. Now let's connect it with VS Code. Click open folder in VS Code. Now the file explorer opens. Now go to the location where you created your folder. Okay, I created it on desktop as you seen. Now I'm selecting Python projects, and inside that I will select Python for AI. Make sure you're selecting the correct project folder, okay, not the parent folder. Now click the select folder. Okay, perfect. Now look at the Explorer panel on the left. Can you see your folder name? Mine says Python for AI, right? If yours is also showing that everything is working perfectly, okay? Now, before we start coding, that's one more thing I personally recommend. Come to the top, click the file, okay? And then click Save Workspace as. Now, don't get confused by the word workspace. It's actually very simple. Think of it like saving your classroom. Today we are learning inside this project, right? Tomorrow or maybe next week when you come back, you don't want to search for folders again, okay? Open everything again. You don't need to open everything again. You don't need to arrange everything again. Instead, you simply open this workspace. Remembers everything exactly the way you left it, okay? Your project opens, your files are there, your layout is ready, and you can continue learning immediately. So now my favorite part is coming. Our first Python program. On left side, just right click and new file. You can name it anything you want. I'm naming it hello.py. Notice that .py at the end. It is the extension of Python. Okay. Actually, that tells VS Code this is a Python file. Okay. Now inside this particular file, now we are gonna type the coding. I'm typing print hello world. Actually, here we are using double quotes because it is a string. Hello world is a string, so we are using double quotes. We will be seeing this even detailedly in further, and for clearance, even clearance, you can see the course book that I have sent a link in description. Okay, now look at it for a second. This is just one line code, right? But every software engineer, every ML engineer, AI engineer started with something this simple, okay? So don't underestimate this moment. Now we are going to make this even useful, okay? Now let's run it. You can see in the top the play button. Just click it. A terminal opens below as you can see in my screen. And there it is. Hello world. Congratulations, guys. Now, that single line tells us something very important. Python is installed correctly, VS Code is working perfectly, your workspace is ready, and now you're officially ready to learn Python. So, that's all for today's class. Today wasn't about writing a big programs, today was about building the foundation. Trust me, a strong building always start with a strong foundation. In the next class, we will actually begin a learning Python. You will understand how Python thinks, how you write a code, and how Python programs actually work. Until then, try everything once on your own. I'll be guiding you in every single step, and see you next class.